In this short tutorial, you'll practice flying an ultralight aircraft through a marked course. Just as in Tutorial 1, the instructions are generalized to apply whether you're flying with a joystick, a universal controller, the mouse, or the keyboard. For details about using different types of controllers, refer to the card, or to the brief. Directly ahead of you is a series of large square gates to fly through. To get to the first gate, just climb. Gently pull back on the stick to raise the nose of the ultralight. To go faster as you climb, increase the throttle. Push the throttle lever forward or press the F3 key. Active gates that you need to fly through are glowing green. Gates that aren't active or that you have already flown through are red. The next gate will not highlight until you have passed through the current gate. If you lose sight of a gate, look around. Move the hat switch on top of your joystick or press and hold the spacebar and move the mouse. Remember, you can review all the instructions given to you on the kneeboard. Just press Shift F10 and select the Messages page. Another tip, press the P key to pause the mission. Press it again to resume. Good job negotiating Gate 1. Now fly through Gate 2. Okay, now descend to Gate 3. Push forward on the stick a bit to gently lower the nose. Slow down during the descent by reducing the power. Pull back on the throttle lever or press the F2 key. Nice descent to Gate 3. Now level off. Gently pull back on the stick. Notice that as you level off, the ultralight slows down. Set your speed by adjusting the throttle. Gate 4 is next. To turn toward it, gently move the stick to bank the wings in that direction. Then center the stick. To stop turning, move the stick back to the right and roll the wings level. Great job with Gate 4. Now turn to line up with Gate 5. Congratulations! Your first attempt at flying was a success. You can end the tutorial now or keep flying. Press the Escape key at any time to end the mission. Try flying through them in any order you want. As you fly, remember, in general, if you keep the nose on the horizon, you'll maintain altitude. If the nose is pointed up, you'll climb. If it's pointed down, you'll descend. There are 7 bonus gates remaining, including one on a ship. There are 6 bonus gates remaining. Five bonus gates to go. There are only 4 gates left. In this ultralight, the maximum safe speed is 70 miles per hour. Flying faster than this could damage the aircraft. 3 more bonus gates. Only 2 gates remain. You've done a great job. 1 last gate to go. Congratulations! You're well on your way to mastering the ultralight. Press the escape key and move on to the next tutorial or another mission. You're getting too slow. Speed up by increasing the power or lowering your nose by pushing on the stick.